Hello children. Laws of exponents of any integer. Okay. In the class 7, we have discussed about non-zero of integer, and the class 8 now few more laws of exponents I am going to explain you for any integer. Okay, like suppose here power negative, here power negative, or sometimes we will get one is negative power, one is positive power. Okay, any kind of. Okay, so now here few more laws of exponents for any integer. Okay, one first example, 2 to the power of minus 3 into 2 to the power of minus 5. Okay, what is this? This we can write as 1 by 2 cube into 1 by 2 to the power of 5, which is equal to, here in the denominator bases are equal, then 2 to the power of 3 plus 5 we can write. Okay, and which is equal to 2 to the power of 8, and this again we can convert into the negative power as 2 to the power of minus 8. The second example also, 3 to the power of minus 2 into 3 to the power of 4. One is negative, one is positive. So this we can write as 1 by 2 to the power of plus 2 into 3 to the power of 4. Or I can directly add the powers. Minus 2 plus 4. The answer will be 3 square. And this method also I will complete here. 1 by 3 square into 3 to the power of 4. 3 to the power of 4 by 3 square. This one also we can write in this way. You expand them and cancel them. Same you will get. This is also one kind of method. 3 square. Okay. So these are the two examples. Now we will go with the try these problems. One more try these problems are there. Try these problems also, better you solve and practice. Here simplify. First bit is simplify. And write in exponential form. See children, many examples also there in textbook. Better you practice them also. Try to understand them. And try this problem. First one, 2 to the power, it is minus 2 to the power minus 3 into minus 2 to the power minus 4. Okay. So here also, as bases are equal, minus into minus first we can go through, or else you do one thing, minus 2 base you write and add the powers directly. Minus 3 minus 4 only. Okay, how much you'll get? Minus 3 to the power minus 7. Okay, and one more thing children, I'll again repeat. Okay, this can be written as 1 by minus 2 to the power 7 positive in denominator. But the thing is, when odd power is there for negative numbers, what you will get the answer? Negative only. Minus 2 to the power 7 only. If suppose it is even, if it is suppose example I'll take, it's a rough work. If I'll get the answer minus 2 to the power 6, then the answer would be 1 by 2 to the power of 6 only. Okay. Next question. P to the power p cube into p to the power minus 10. Again here bases are equal. We can add directly powers. What you'll get? Plus 3 minus 10 minus 7. This one also we can write as 1 by p to the power of 7. And the last one of this, try these problems. 3 to the power 3 square, 3 to the power minus 5, 3 to the power 6. 3 raised to the power also you can say, you can call it. Now all the bases are equal children. We will add them. 2 minus 5 plus 6. First we will add these to 8. 8 minus 5. 3 to the power of 8 minus 5 how much? 3. These are the try these problems. I hope you all are following very well, and better you practice once again. If you are not understanding children, once again play the video and listen. Okay. Thank you children.